Introduce highlight features or overview summary for HULKNPEE portable washing machine. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include portability and space savings. This foldable mini washing machine is an ideal small home appliance, with a capacity of 6.5 liters, especially suitable for users with limited space. Its unique folding design allows you to easily store in limited spaces such as small apartments, campers, or boats without worrying about occupying too much space. Ensure our health. Public washing machine is not hygienic and clean, and even the risk of infectious diseases. Besides, underwear and baby clothes need to be washed separately from the coat. This convenient mini washer comes with high-frequency vibration, forward and reverse cleaning with turbine. It solves this problem very cleverly. Make sure our health. 3 modes cleaning with blue light. Portable washing machine is easy to operate with one touch switch. You can choose any of modes to meet your different needs. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes modes washing program selection, which can complete washing in a short time, helping users save valuable time and energy. User-friendly and easy maintenance. Our mini washing machine is designed for user convenience. It's easy to operate, even for first-time users, with simple controls. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Easy to use and maintain. The mini washing machine has a simple design and is easy to operate, making it easy for even first-time users to master. Cleaning and maintenance are also simple, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. It can help you save a lot of time and money to go to a buffet laundry. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.